The goal with this activity is to really work on your upper body strength and mobility. Here's what you're going to do. Get a bench. You're going to set up in a bear position on the bench. So what you want for that is you're going to have your knees bent about 90-ish degrees, arms on the bench. You want to get a subtle tuck of the hips. Don't get all crunchy on me now. Subtle tuck. Chest gets pushed away. Exhale. From here, you're going to do a push-up, making sure you keep everything in line. As you come up, you're going to switch to a T. Don't sag on the down arm or let your shoulder come forward. You're going to push away. Look up at your hand in the sky. Take a breath. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side, making sure you lower your trunk as one piece. You're just going to rinse and repeat like that. We'll go one more. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.